Hello everyone, welcome to Greenma Handmade channel. Today, I will show you how to crochet a 6-petal flower. As a decorative accessory such as a hairband, flower brooch, hairpin. Now, let's start with me. I am using 1.5mm yarn for this project. This yarn is called baby yarn. This yarn is very soft, no ruffles. Use a crochet hook size to millimeters. We'll start it off with a magic circle. You guys follow me. You will move the rack like this. Holding it firmly in your hand. Insert the crochet needle under the right yarn. Pull the left yarn up. Over the yarn and pull through a loop. So we just finished the magic circle. Very simple, right? Now, insert into the circle with 6 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've finished row 1 with 6 single crochets. Now grab the end of the yarn and pull it hard to close the circle. Make 1 slip stitch into 1 outer loop opposite your face. Insert in yarn, over yarn and pull through both loops. Next, make 2 chain crochet stitches. Create a floral pattern by making 6 half doubled crochet into the same stitch. Take the yarn. Insert the crochet hook under 2 loops. Over yarn and pull through both loops. Pull the yarn so that it is the same height as the 2 stitches just made. Do this 5 more times. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over yarn and pull through all loops, make 1 stitch. Create 3 chain crochet stitches. 1 slip stitch on the next stitch. So you have just done 1 petal. The remaining 5 petals, please do the same. Cut the yarn. Use crochet hook, hide excess yarn. Attach pearl beads as pistil. Cut the yarn. What's your project like? And this is mine. It would be perfect for making pretty decorations. I wish you success. Thank you for watching and following my channel. See you soon.